So this is WriterMe website, and I will show you how you can make money from this website as an affiliate marketer. So this is one of the best AI writing software based website. You can see the Ahref rank is 3.41k only, and they are saying that a better 10x faster way to write story plots, Instagram posts. Writer is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of cost. So they have Trustpilot review 4.9, G2 Crowd 4.9, and also AppSumo 4.9. So this is one of the best AI writing tool, save and writing content that converts. So at first you have to promote this website, and before you promote this website you have to get your affiliate link, and now I will show you how you can get the affiliate link. So this is their monthly subscription. There is a free plan, and if you choose free plan, I am not talking about free plan, just paid plans, generate 50k characters per month, access 30 plus use cases, write in 30 languages, access 20 tones, built-in plagiarism checker, access to premium community. These are the features of the premium or pro packages. So this premium package is $9 per month and 90 per year and 2 months free. This is unlimited plan, generate unlimited characters per month, and 29 per month, $290 per year, get 2 months free. So they are saying stop wasting time and money on content and copywriting. So now I will show you how to get the affiliate link. For this we will click here, affiliate program. Now we are in the affiliate section. You can join our affiliate program if you think you can be right brand ambassador for writer. Details are provided. The more you will promote their affiliate link, and if someone joins through your affiliate link, you will make money from this website. If I click here, you will get 30% recurring commission for lifetime for each referred customer. That means if we check, they are offering 30% affiliate money. So if someone buys this 29 per month package and continue for 1 year, you can easily check, and you will get 30% for each subscription. If someone buys $9, you will get 30% for each subscription. So this is a good chance to make money online, and I will also show you how I have promoted. So to join you can click here to join their program, affiliate program. Just fill in the blanks, and now I am showing you the affiliate. These are the affiliate. Let's check. I have joined in their affiliate program a few days ago. This is their affiliate rules. You will be paid for all direct conversions through your affiliate link. You can't refer yourself, and the minimum payout needs to be $100. Attribution will be updated if a customer has applied another coupon code. This is good. So this is my link, and let me tell you how I have promoted. This is the main task. This is my website, toolsvalue.com. Here I talk about lots of offers, and this is my article on WriterMe. I have hired a writer. Let me tell you, I have hired my friend, and just I have given him only $2 to write me this article. WriterMe review, or you can easily write articles about writer.me, and in your website you can just post this article, and in every section of like buy now or this here, I have already added the referral link like this. Like check, this is the affiliate link. If someone buys through my link, I will get the commission, whether it's 2-month package, whether they ask for 12 months, I will get commission for each month. So this is my article. Let's have a look at. If you want to write this type of article, featured or promotional article, you can also contact me in my video or in my WhatsApp. So what I will do, I will promote this article regarding Writer Me in my Twitter, in my Facebook, in my Instagram, in my Pinterest, in social media. And if I continue doing this, it's possible anyone can buy and I will get the commission. This is the complete process. And you can also run your paid marketing. I have not run paid marketing yet. If I run paid marketing, I will show you the results also. So thank you for today. I will come up with another affiliate marketing video in next day.